let's serve God. Let's walk in covenant with Him. Not only because of us, not just because of us, but because of the children that are coming after us. I say something to some of us. It's not good if your children suffer the same thing you suffer. Are you getting it? Some of us have had rough journeys. Now you met Jesus, and Jesus has been helping you. Yet, it's not as it's supposed to be, but He has helped you. You know that He has helped you. Man, you should walk with God in such a way that that thing ends with you and never rear its head again in your children's life. It ends there. Your children should have life better than you. And it's not only by sending them to school. School is good. But it's not only by that. But by having quality walk with God, such that favor will speak for them. Grace will speak for them. God will rise for them. It's not just about you.